Hey, hi and welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Eagle software. Okay, so let's quickly install the Eagle software now. I have actually stored the Eagle software in Edge Drive software, then Eagles 9.6.2. And this is basically the exe file of the Eagle software whose size is 125 MB. Okay, so I will just double click on this one. And after that, it's going to ask me for the permission. Do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? So I will click on yes. And after that, what I have to do, I have to click on I accept the agreement. And later I have to click on next. Okay, so the procedure is actually very simple. Later it's going to ask you for the location where you want to install the Eagle software like other softwares. So you just have to browse to the preferred location based on the space or the availability of space in your computer. So I'm going to keep the C as a default location because I have the SSD. So there the Eagle software will run much faster. Okay, so that's the reason I'm selecting the C drive, and after that I will click on OK. After that I will click on next. Now here you can see the folder C Eagle 9.6.2 already exists. Would you like to install to that folder anyway? See, I already have the Eagle software installed in my computer. That's the reason I got this dialog box. In your case, if you are installing this software for the first time, then definitely you will not get this particular dialog box. So I will click on yes here. Let's reinstall this software. And after that I will click on create a desktop shortcut. So based on whether you want the shortcut or not, you can check or uncheck this box, and after that I will click on next and then install. Okay, so it's going to take very less time to install the Eagle software, and once the software is installed, later the software will automatically open. Okay, so you just have to wait for a little time. As the software is not that big, so it's going to install very quickly. So I will wait for a moment now. Alright, so the software is installed. And after that, here, if you want to launch the Eagle software, okay, automatically, then you just check this box. And if you don't want, then you just uncheck this one. Okay, so I will check this box, and after that, I will click on finish. And now the Eagle software is opening. It's starting. So this is basically the control panel of Eagle software. Okay, so that's how simple it is to install the Eagle software. I hope that you will be able to download the software and you will be able to install the Eagle software without any problem. Okay, alright, so that's what I wanted to tell in this video. I hope that everything is clear to you. Now from next video we are going to start with the topic 2 of module 2, which is introduction to schematic editor. Okay, so I will see you in next video now.